Hello and welcome to Learning is Easy at your library. Mabuhay! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use our periodical index. This video tutorial is brought to you by the Information Services and Instruction section of the UP Diliman University Library. To start with, please go to class at ds.mainlive.upd.edu.ph. Class is used to search holdings for books, digital records, academic journals, magazines, newspapers, and more, all in just one interface. To give you a brief background, before class, we used to refer to the index to Philippine periodicals online to search periodical indexes. Now, the IPP is integrated into class for everyone's convenience. To browse for periodical index, go to Browse by Database, then click Index to Philippine Periodicals or IPP. You will be redirected to the IPP database. On the upper part of the page under the search box, you will see an indication that you are on the IPP database. On the left side are the facets that can be used to refine the list of the articles index displayed on the screen to narrow down your search. The first one is the database we are in, which is IPP. Second one is the unit library or where the materials indexed are located. This part also displays the number of indexed articles in a unit library or section. The third facet is the year publication. You can type here the range of the year of your search, or you can just drag the bar then choose the year in question. The fourth facet is the subject. These are all clickable. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the list of indexes under a specific subject. As you can see, this is arranged according to the number of indexed articles under a subject. The fifth one is the author. Just like the subject, these are also links to the written articles and are arranged based on the number of their articles indexed at IPP. The sixth facet is the format. This will show articles since we are browsing the IPP database. If you see book or electronic listed here, it means that you are browsing the whole catalog into class. The last facet is the language used on the indexed articles. If you click English, for example, it will show you indexed articles in English. Let us now go to the list of articles indexed in IPP. This list can be sorted according to relevance, from oldest to newest, newest to oldest, by author, or by title. The list can be emailed, printed, exported, and added to book bag by number or by page. Displayed in each index are their bibliographic information, title, author, publisher, year of publication, and format. Once you click on the article index, you will be redirected to its page where additional information is displayed. You will see here the title, publisher, detailed date, page number, author, format, and subjects. On the upper part are the facets which can be used to add the index to the book bag, export record, email, and even cite the article indexed. Just remember that the citations may not always be 100% accurate. On the lower part is the holdings, where you will see the location of the article indexed and where to request them. Now that you have reached the end of the video, please note that all information contained in this presentation is accessible via our homepage, mainlive.upd.edu.ph. For further assistance or additional concerns, you may also send us an email via libraryinfo.updiliman@up.edu.ph. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube via our handle UPD Library. Good luck on your research! Remember, here at the University Library, we are discovering connections, connecting discoveries. Stay safe!